Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to play Monoposto using a controller on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, connect your controller to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth or USB. Make sure that your device confirms that the controller is successfully connected. Next, open Monoposto and go to the Settings menu. Tap on Controls, then look for the Control Mode option. Select the controller icon to switch from the touch controls to your connected controller. If the controller option is grayed out, that means that your controller isn't properly connected. So double check your Bluetooth connection and try again. Once selected, you are ready to race using the controller for better precision and smoother gameplay. And that's it. That's how you play Monoposto with controller. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.